What is up, YouTube? Happy Friday to all you out there. So, just trying to do a little quick video for you guys on this bad boy. Couple new things real quick. So, I really loved the AT4 floor mats. They had a thing to where there was a piece of carpet that's basically put down on their all-weather floor mats. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these out real quick so you can kind of compare the two. I got lucky. I don't know how, I don't know why, but for some weird reason I found them, and they're for Chevy. But let me just kind of give you an idea. Okay, these are the all-weather floor mats that you can purchase on the GM website. These are stocks. These aren't the aftermarket Rough Countries or the other brands that they have. These are the ones that come with the Silverados. Mine didn't. I had to buy them. So this is what we're going to show you now. I think you guys will like them. These are the ones that come with the AT4s. I believe the AT4Xs. Okay. Which I almost bought, that had the AT4 logo. But look, it's for Chevy. Check that out. Look how fucking clean that is. Excuse my language, but man, it looks so pretty. I don't know what you guys think, but it's so much better. This little piece right here, go ahead. You went extreme. You don't want to get any dirt on your little carpet right there. You pop this baby out. Then you go ahead, wash it. Boom, put it back in. You're good to go. Look at that. Look at the back seat. Look at this back. It's freaking clean. 100 times better. I don't know why you can't find these on Chevy's website. I looked, and if you guys can find them, great. Please go ahead and tag it, put it on the comments. But I did everything. I even looked on eBay. But look at, like, it even fits. Like, it's made for this back part right here. Because the other one that I had to cut into it, and it didn't fit. I don't know why they didn't do that. But for this, it's like it's made for it. Amazing. Tell me what you guys think. If you've seen them before, tell me where you can get them so we can go ahead and let everybody else that wants to go ahead and get them do it as well. Let's go ahead and just kind of move over to the other side real quick, just to kind of get you an idea. But man, it's just night and freaking day. I don't understand why this isn't on Chevy's website. Okay, look at that. Look at that. You can't tell me that that does not look good. Okay. Walking in, it's got that rugged but yet still like nice feel to it. I'm sure it's, you know, even though it's still an RST, but still night and day. Okay. Now, that's one thing. Part two. What do you guys think? Okay. I'm not talking about the rims. I'm not talking about the tires. I'm not talking about the Fox 2.0 with the Gognitos. Okay? I'm not talking about all around there. It's white. Okay? Same thing there. We're going to change that for you. Okay? I'm going to show you what I did. I'm not going to go through the whole process because that's just not what my channel. I'm not the 100% guy to go ahead and do that for you. Okay, I'm going to show you little steps. I'm going to tell you what I did to do it, and then this way you can go ahead and get the detailed information from everybody else. Once I go ahead and perfect this thing, you'll get a lot more better videos from me. For right now, I'm just trying to build this channel to help you guys out too. So what did I do? I cleaned it up like it says in the instructions. You go ahead and clean it, then you go ahead and put some alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. You clean that as well. Now it gives you this kind of like a cleaner for it too, which is really not that great. Let me show you the instructions real quick. It's really not the best either, but it you know, it'll do it. Oh, so anyways, long story short, the instructions flew away. It's a very windy day over here. So it basically tells you what to do. You have this polyurethane. Let me sealant. Okay, here's the back. they come pretty damn nice. So what you're going to do is you're going to take these tabs right here, you're going to peel them back and have them off. So as you're actually putting them in, they don't get stuck as you're pulling them out as you're setting it. Okay. Now this polyurethane adhesive, it's going to go through this little, you could feel like a little channel right here. Okay. You're going to follow it all the way on this top line. It says not to get it on the tape. It says not to get it on that adhesive. You're going to follow it all the way through till you get to that end. Okay. So you put it in the gun, boom, run it all the way through. You're going to come back here and you're going to go ahead and just kind of set it. They give you like a marking pen too, where you can go ahead and mark it just so you 100% know how it goes. For the most part, you can use it, or if you're really good, after the second one, it's pretty much easy to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it on. This is the before, and then we're just gonna go ahead and snap our fingers, and you'll see. And just like that, there you go. You tell me what you guys think. I like them. I like how it brings it out. Eventually I'm gonna get this bumper right here is gonna be wrapped in black, so this won't look as odd as it does right there, only because it stops right there. But look at that. I think pretty much a lot better. Make sure you kind of line it up properly, because this back one didn't really. I thought it did, and I had to kind of do a little cutting. Not like you can kind of see, but I trimmed it a little bit. I wasn't going to pull it all off and then be screwed and have to redo it. But as you can see, man, I think it looks 100 times better. You know, I saw it on the ZR2s and it grew on me. A lot of this white is going to be wrapped in black. This will stay white. Pretty much it's going to be like a Trail Boss. Like I said, without the Trail Boss money. But here you guys go. A little bit probably better with some shade. So make sure you just kind of line it up properly. And if you do these back ones, I would suggest starting right here first. Make sure it sits flush up against this geez, gosh, why can't I say it? The little mud guard, the little flapper. Start there, push it up against it so it leans up nice and snug, and then go ahead and start working your way around so it seats properly over there in the back part. But yeah, night and day. I like them. Tell me what you guys think. Would you do it? Would you not? If so, let me know what you guys think. Like always, like, please, subscribe, and we'll go ahead and do some more little upgrades together. You guys tell me what you think. Thanks.